So here we are with the 293 RKDS Eagle. So we'll walk around the outside, familiarize you with things going on out here. Outside speakers, either side here. Fold upstairs. Here's the holder for your door, right there. Low point drain underneath here, right there. A big storage compartment right here. Has a little easy stow drawer, cable output, and 110. There's your low point drain valves right in behind here. Power cord is stored under here with the dog bone to take it from 50 amp to 30 amp. Propane, 30 pound. Stored on both sides of the unit. Another 110 power source up here. More storage underneath the front. Also, your battery is stored in there. Right here is your 7-way connection. Right there, and your breakaway cable. So here we go. 30 pound again on this side. Here's your crossover regulator. Now for your electronic leveling system, here is the instructions for them right here. Okay, tells you dropping the unit off, reconnecting the vehicle, little do's and don'ts. Okay, and here it is here. Turn it on here and select what you want it to do, whether it be auto level, hitch up, just pulling up the rear jacks, whatever you want to do. Okay, so that's incorporated on that side. And here you go. So this unit has a battery disconnect. You could shut the battery off right there when in storage. Okay, another light under here. Soap dispenser. Here's your little hose hookup, remote pump hookup. It tells you all the various settings for your valves depending on what you want to do. And here's isolating your hot water tank. City water connection. And this is a black tank flush. Make sure you have the termination valve opened here and obviously hooked up to a sewer source, whether it be a sewer or a honey wagon, and you could clean out your black tank. Okay, units are prepped for solar right here at the top. There is a little light, also a backup camera. Hot water tank is gas and electric, both turned on inside. There's your drain right here when you're winterizing it. A little catch to lock. So don't, this is hot and this is hot. This is your furnace exhaust. Don't put anything near there. Frameless windows, slide toppers on the slides. Make sure parking it, you got adequate room for your slide. Low point drains here. That's going to be for your holding tank when you're carrying water. And there's another gray tank pole right here. There it is there. And here's your sewer hookup for that one. There's a sewer hookup at the front of the wheels too. So this unit has 2 sewer hookups. Okay, so just be cautious of that. Little sewer hose in the bumper. 50 amp twist. It's got the bracket for the barbecue. If you had one, just pull that out, hook your barbecue up to here, utensils go there. Okay, little electric fridge right here. Back compartment. Here's where you'd access the spare tire. Okay, When using these leveling jacks, make sure you have something good and solid. Don't just put it onto like soft soil. You could do damage to the jack. So make sure you got something, you know, solid for the jack to push against. Okay, here's the vent for the back of the fridge. Another one on the roof. Here's your overhead fan exhaust. Okay, have a access handle. So we'll go in, turn some lights on. Here's everything here. So tank heater. Here's your LP. This is for your hot water heater. So that's your gas. This is the electric, and this is your water pump if you're carrying water and want to pump it. Light switches. Here's slide out room 1. That's the bedroom. So see if you can see it here. Open the door so you can see that a bit. And again, make sure you have room outside. And that's it. Room 2 is right here. Again, make sure you got lots of room. You can see it going out. Make sure when you were traveling that doors or cupboards didn't open. I can see 2 at the back that could be an issue. Make sure before you put them out that those didn't get jarred open on your travels. This door here and this cupboard. Okay, so something to be aware of. What else we got here? We got the Awning Extend is right here, and retract. Okay, this is where you're gonna check your battery, your H2O, water, your black tank, gray 1 tank, and gray 2 tank. Okay, so you just push the little button and the lights would light up. Okay, there is a remote control too for doing desired things here, turning lights on and slide outs in and out. So going inside, you have your propane detector down low, 110. This button here releases the TV. Okay, fireplace, stereo with DVD. Okay, outside speakers would be C. So there you are there. And there's your outside speakers. A and B are both inside. Okay. Fridge. If you're plugged into hydro, just leave it on auto. Make sure your bottles are off in the event of a power outage. As long as you have a charged up battery, it'll automatically switch to gas. Okay, most people start out about 3. Usually pretty good temperature there. Stove, you have a sparker here to the left. Turn on your desired burner and turn your sparker on. You have a light here and a fan. Microwave, just like the one in your house. Crayon countertops. Heavy sink covers. There's the light for the pantry right there, that switch. Adjustable shelves. USB connections right here. There's the GFI. In the event some plugs aren't working, always come and make sure that your GFI isn't tripped. Okay. Cupboard lights. Frameless windows, so you just turn them like this, and there they are. Okay. And the table has an extension leaf. Lift it up. Slip it out. Fold it back down. There's also some storage in there. And there you go. Have a little bit bigger table. Okay. Light switches are up here for this one and down below for this one. Pull the little cord here to extend your footrest. You have lights here, a little switch. Okay. This couch folds out. Show you this here. So you'd take the cushions off, lift that. There's two little legs right here, so open them up, pull them down, and just like that. And then you'd flip the back side down. And there you go. Extra sleeping. Here's your heat and AC right here. So you just select your temperature, put it on heat or cool. Okay. Pull down shades. Bathroom lights. There's the big light. There's a light for around the mirror. And there's also a blue light in the shower. Glass doors, make sure they're secured when traveling, right here. Toilet, make sure, hold it down and put water in the bowl and then carry on. Okay, here. Bedroom light. So there's two extra chairs underneath, stored underneath the bed. Bed can be folded down. Extra reading lights, TV, charging center right here. Lots of cupboard space and more space in there. Closet. Here's your antenna. So when you get to your campsite and you can crank it up, you can do a scan on your TV for channels on air if you'd like, and just make sure before you tear down camp and take off down the road that you lower that antenna back down. All right, that concludes our video. Enjoy your new RV. Thank you.